So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hello Campaign Evolved game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to modify launch options. So for that you have to go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to resolve the problem. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11 and now check whether the game is launching or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to run game from the installation folder. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application and double click on it and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, you should run the game as administrator. For that, select the exe file on the game folder, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. Now select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and now check if the game is launching or opening or not. But if the issue still continues, then you have to come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Or simply open the link. After that, here you have to manually enter every details of your graphics card and then click on find option. Now wait for some time. It will show you several graphics cards related to it. You have to select your graphics card, then click on view option and here you will get the details of your graphics cards and also a download link. So click on it, download the latest graphics drivers and after that launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run SFC scan. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for command prompt and here you have to enter this command or simply type it sfc/scan now and simply paste it. I have already given this in the description. This will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically. After doing this, launch the game and check. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, or others, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, click on Check for updates. This will check if any update is available, and once your Windows is updated, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, you have to go to Steam, and here you have to click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam. So confirm it, and after confirming it, you have to log into Steam using your username and password. And after that, try to log into the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after clicking on it, you have to wait for some time as it may take some time. So once the game files are verified, after that, launch the game and check if you can play it or the game is working or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and after opening it, you will get repair or install option. So click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time. Once it is finished, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Similarly for GeForce Experience, so users open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options as you can see in the image. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you have to do is, first go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After doing this, close this. Now go to the search option once again, search for Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. And after that, click on OK. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it or the game is working or not. But later on, come back and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next method is to install the game on SSD. This is also an important step. If your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can suffer from crashing or other issues. So you can easily check it. Just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage option, and here you will find whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is installed on another drive, then you have to simply select it, and after selecting it, click on the move option and move the game to SSD. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue and you can play the game. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, try to log into the game and check if you can play. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Hello Campaign Evolved game. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So doing this will remove or delete the game completely from your system. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Hello Campaign Evolved game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Hello Campaign Evolved game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.